So, hi. I just came across a very interesting Excel feature. We often keep our stock records in Excel, and whenever we want to understand what is the value of our portfolio, we always want to know what is the price of the stock that we are holding. Now, the good part is that you don't have to go and search for the prices on other applications anymore. You can do it right within Excel. So, what I'm going to do here is, let's say you are holding Reliance Industries, you hold ITC Limited, and you hold Wipro Limited. These are just random stock names that I'm typing. Let's say you also hold Tata Motors, right? And for all these stocks, you hold certain number of stocks, right? And but what you want is you want the price for each of those stocks. Now, ideally, you would go to different websites and copy the price and pull it here. Or one of the things that I used to do earlier was I used to download the Bhav copy and then apply a VLOOKUP so that the price would come in. But then, how do you calculate or how do you pull up the prices into this Excel sheet automatically? So the first thing that you should do is you should let's consider cover convert all of this as a table. So this can simply be Control T, and you put them as a table, and you can change this to stock name, price, and beta, right? And we can delete this part. Now, for Reliance Industries, ITC, Wipro, select these stocks and go to the data tab, and you would find this stock option here. So just click on the stock option, and what it does is it automatically converts these stocks into shares. So you see it is coming from NSE, but however, it does not recognize Reliance Industries and Tata Motors. So click on this question box that comes up here, and you see that this shows National Stock Exchange Reliance PP, or Bombay Stock Exchange, or National Stock Exchange Reliance. So I know this is the stock that I'm looking at. I click this as select, and same for Tata Motors. I'd just check what Tata Motors am I looking at. So this is, I think this is not TTM or anything else, but I think this is the one that we're looking at. So you select Tata Motors here, right? And now what you want is you want the price for each of them. So you see the small add column dialog box that comes here. So you click on this and it gives you all the options, and you go right here and select price, and here you go, you get the price for each of these stocks as on today, right? And you can delete this column because we don't need this anymore. Similarly, let's say you need beta for each of these stocks, so you click on the same button, and let's say you want to search for beta for these stocks, so you click on beta and you get beta here as well. Right now you could use this for a variety of options, and as you can see, there are so many other options. You can get 52-week high low, beta, change, description, employees, exchange, where is the headquarter, the industry type, and whatnot. So all these are options that are given to you, and it comes right within Excel. Now you should be using the latest version of Excel. So I use Microsoft Office 365, but it will help you keep a track of your portfolio. It can help you in your valuation work. It can help you in a lot of other areas as well, right? So I think that's about it. I hope you like this feature. Thank you very much.